Hello fans of Jokan Educational Channel. My name is Jokan. You can call me George Cantref. Yes, and today we are here on a special edition of Solve Math. Why am I saying so? Yes, with this particular session, we are dealing with questions or challenges from our fans. Yes, and indeed, in our previous session, there was a particular question that was based on simultaneous equation using the elimination method, which came from a fan by name Clement. Today we had Joseph also bringing his question on board. Joseph, I will tell you that today we are going to deal with your question, and indeed you'll be so excited. What I want you to do is that you should pay critical attention here. And I'm not speaking to Joseph alone. All our fans, please, this is going to help you. So please pay critical attention here. This particular question is also based on simultaneous equation using the elimination method. And in our previous session, which came from Clement, I did say that when it comes to the elimination method, you just have to find a way to eliminate, to go off one of the variables. If I talk of variables, I mean either an x or a y, so that you can find the value of one variable. And after that, you could put in the value of the variable you find to find the value into another equation. Easy as A, B, C, D. So let's do this. But before that, let's write our solution. Solution simply means how you solve it. Good. You do that to make your work neat. Good. So solution, underline neatly. Good. Now let's write the equations. Okay? So we have 3x minus what? 2y is equal to 2. And we have what? 2x minus 2y is equal to what? 0. Good. Now, let's label the equations to make it easy for us. So the first equation becomes equation 1, second equation, equation 2. Good. Now, what do? If you study the equation, you can eliminate y. But how can you eliminate y? Good. You can do that by doing equation 2 minus equation 1. If you do that, you will eliminate y. Let's try that and see. I believe you are conversant with your integers. It's very important because here, integers apply. That is math for you. Fantastic. Good. So let's do that. What I said is that you will have to eliminate what? One of the variables, and we are going to eliminate what? Y. And how are we going to do that? It will be equation 2 minus equation 1, right? So equation 2 minus what? Equation 1. Good. So let's do that. Meaning this minus that, right? You have equation 2. You subtract from that. So let's do that, right? 2x minus 3x. You have 2x, you subtract 3x. What do you gain? You will have 2, then you owe 3. You still be owing, so it will be minus x. Or one will say minus 1x. It's the same thing. So, you have your equal to, right? Good. Now, 2 minus 1, as I'm saying, equation 2 minus 1. So here, 0 minus 2. You have 0, you are subtracting 2. You have minus 2. Good. Now, you want x to stand alone, right? So, what you have to do is that what we have here, we have negative here. So, divide both sides by negative. Okay? So that x can stand alone. So, we have negative x is equal to negative 2. Write it again. Divided by what? Negative divided by what? Negative. 1 we write negative 1. It's still the same thing. This negative cancels that. This cancels this. So you have x is equal to 2. Fantastic. So we'll be able to find the value of x. Okay? Let's go on a quick break. And when we return, we'll find the value of y. It's all math, love math.